So early in the morning, I woke up and I was thinking about the foosball table, turning it over, getting it out of the way, and then I could work on this area over here. And I was thinking I got to be careful. I'm going to need help because I don't want to jar these legs, and they're so solid now. I don't want to loosen them up. And then the thought occurred to me, why don't I have more support on those? And then I thought, well, that could look really cool. And before I was thinking, they're kind of narrow. I was kind of thinking I should have made them bigger just to give it more footprint and just to make it look heavier. But I love this idea now. So what I did was I went in the shop this morning and I made all these pieces. I forgot though that the end legs are closer together and I would not have enough room to run two down like I did on the side here. Let me get on the other side so you can see them. Right here. So I didn't, you don't have as much room. And look at that. I mean, even on the long end, you only have like 16 inches extra. So on the short, you're never going to have enough room. And that didn't occur to me. So what I did when I realized that, when I got here and started putting it together, I had to clip the one, and there was still enough of it on the plywood that I could screw in that one. And then the other one, I had to clip it a bunch, and the piece I clipped off is right there. I just turned it around and used it as the tie-in. So it holds the two together. So I think it looks really sharp, and I like how it just gives it more, I don't know, more stable look. And it is going to stabilize it more. Now there's only one screw in the top on each one. These are two separate pieces, so there's one screw right here, one screw right there, and then there's two screws on the bottom of each of them is what I had planned. Okay, I still have that side to do. So I'm going to do that, and then if I do get some help this afternoon, I would like to flip this over. And then I can start cleaning up that other area. Okay, but we did a lot of work on this thing. This thing, compared to what it used to look like, is really changing. Can't wait to do the top. Okay. In the area where we're setting is looking really sharp. We'll set it right there. For now, I'll probably have to get it over there more because I need to do a lot of work in this area yet. And I'm going to need room to put stuff there. But it's looking really good. Or maybe I can set it here and then put the sawhorses over there. Because I need to pull each one of these posts and end up cutting them off after I do the floor. So I'm going to do the floor, pull one, do the floor, put it back in, pull the next one, do the floor, and just work my way down. Kind of dreading it, but it's the only way I'm going to get a really nice looking job. So let's do it. Let's finish this up so we're ready to turn it over.